There's the bell, and this battle royal is officially kicking off, guys. Surprises really abound in this type of match.
Yeah, we've seen dark horses prevail in this type of chaos before.
Elimination after elimination until one superstar stands tall to claim the victory. Who will it be? That's the million-dollar question. Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen.
Umaga is really out of it. He might be done soon.
And did you hear the impact of that?
Super kick on the money. Well, maybe it's just me, but you can only be disrespected so many times like that before you start to develop a complex.
You get slapped a lot, Corey?
It's none of your business, Cole. What a display here. Counters on both sides.
And now he's back into the ring.
Oh, a headbutt right to the shoulder.
That's usually enough.
The fight got taken straight to JBL there.
Sikoa clearly taking out his
Taking flight.
vice-like grip on the trapezius muscle. From the top. I don't care how much you train. You can't prepare for a commercial airliner to come crashing down on you like that.
Way up top, down.
Oh, gosh.
Running heel kick.
That was like getting hit by a freight train with turbo boosters on their legs. Oh, looking to get an elimination.
This might be the end of the line. Might be looking for the elimination here. Nice counter from Breaker. So much punishment has been absorbed by these men already.
And yet, they are still going. Still ready for more.
Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly.
Into the neck breaker. Beautiful.
Caught in a tough position here. Gets slammed down. Goodness. Oh, the mass being used.
The cerebral assassin with the kick to the abdomen before the pedigree. Triple H has this all sewn up. Not a single person in this place is sitting down.
We might just be watching one of the greatest matches we've seen in quite some time here. This could end in an elimination.
Oh, man, right to the esophagus. Super kick finds the mark. Never saw it coming.
Oh, no. Better match up your feet off the ground. It seems like this match is becoming something of an uphill battle for him. Running heel kick. Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly.
What a chancery punch right in the head. Someone's in trouble.
Battling to get back into the ring. But now here's Jey Uso.
End of the line for the game.
That didn't go as Solo pictured.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
Might be looking for...
Yokozuna just manhandling his opponent. Big headbutt.
Oh, I think we know what Yokozuna is thinking.
Up to the second rope. This is...
Solo Sikoa lining it up.
Yokozuna has him on Dream Street, and Umaga's laid out.
This place has come unglued.
Rightfully so.
Solo Sikoa has been eliminated.
This heel hook. This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it.
Counters to gain the advantage.
Point of the elbow, nailed it. Oh, launching into a hip attack. Saw it coming and avoided it. Ooh. Big forearm.
DDT plants them. And Bradshaw continues his onslaught in the late going.
This could be a very dangerous moment for Triple H.
And here is Jey Uso forced out of the ring.
Has been eliminated.
Oh no! Bad tearing your feet off the ground. Oh God! Face first! Spinning heel kick. That'll turn your lights out.
Release on the German suplex.
Just launched. The big man, Yokozuna. Turning the tables. Oh my God, a clothesline. Boom, right in the button. An elbow will break that up.
Oh, wait. Are we about to see an elimination? Battling to stay alive.
It's not over until both feet touch the floor.
Oh, my!
He gets sent straight down to the floor.
Has been eliminated.
Right to the kidney.
Golly.
He gets back into the ring.
This'll do it. Umaga.
Samoan spike. Will that do it for Umaga? Will that do it? Bang!
What an incredible match and win for Umaga.
Here is your winner, the Samoan Bulldozer, Umaga!
Big effort tonight.
A well-earned victory here tonight.
You can tell this guy was fired up from the moment the bell rang.
He definitely had the motivational advantage in this match.